Alright, so we're going to review this camping tripod. The brand is Tough Tripod, and the reason I bought this one is it claims to be all made in USA. So it's actually a guy in Wisconsin that makes these, down near Middleton, Wisconsin. Up on the top here is the information. And like I said, it was billed as a made in USA. So it looks like a pretty simple design, but it seems like it's built pretty well. Some of the stuff I know is made in China, like this pulley here. And there was something else I believe the grill grate as well. This just looks like a Weber grill grate, which I believe all those are made in China. And then it looks like he welded on this ring here so the stuff doesn't fall off. Also, these cable connectors here, or chain connectors, those are also made in China, and probably the chain. So I would say it's constructed in the United States or in Wisconsin. So the cost of this one was $140, and it's considered a 5-foot, which I guess is better for above ground fires and fires that are considered in a pit. They do make a 4-footer, which is $10 less, but I figured the 5 would serve a much better purpose. Alright, so let's take a look at how that pulley system works. Alright, so you just have this rod here, and everything that's made out of pipe here has some sort of like almost an epoxy finish on it. And this part here looks like it's a piece of 3/4 inch pipe that's flattened down, and then it looks like there's like a piece of flat stock welded on with a hole put in. But it's a pretty simple system. You just kind of push down to lift it, and it's just the friction is what's holding it in place there. So, and it doesn't go too difficult. It seems like it goes pretty easy to adjust your height there. Like I said, all the pipes have that same epoxy finish on. And then at the very top, the pipe are just squashed down. So the pipe are just squashed, and then they put these bolts in there so that they can't fall out. So it collapses pretty easily, but they can't slide through. They can't slide through because of the bolt and the nut on there. And then this longer one that comes through here, it could probably be adjusted out, but this is supposed to be for if you want to hang whatever utensil you're using. You can just hang that on this bolt here. So it's a pretty simple design, and it looks like it's going to work pretty well here. Alright, so I'm going to be wrapping this up. The brats are done, so I'm going to head in. So for assembly, there really wasn't too much besides running these pipe through this top and then putting these little tiny bolts in. All the cable work was already hooked up. There were some zip ties I had to undo that was holding the chain to that, and then these extension pieces here which go into the pipe with this little wing nut, had to attach those. But other than that, there's not much to it. I ordered it online, I don't remember when, but I ordered it one day before it was here. So the same day I ordered it, I got shipping confirmation, and the gentleman had emailed and said it's shipped and you'll receive it tomorrow. And I thought, well, that's kind of fast for shipping, and it was. So, and like I said, it was $140, and that was shipped and everything, 1-day shipping. So pretty good deal, I think, and it's made in the United States.